Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, February 15th, 2018. We do have quite a bit going on this evening, so it is very important that you pay attention and you listen. Blizzard bags across the board, those are due by next week. You need to make sure that you are finishing those up. If you do not do them, you could be counted absent from school for the day that we were out. In math, our Module 9 quiz is tomorrow. We have an optional review that you can do. That is page 256. We also have our 6th time taking the units retake. If you have not gotten a 36 out of 40, you need to make sure that you are spending time studying. Science, no homework other than the Blizzard bag. Social studies, finish Atlas worksheet number 31. Language arts, we've got our chapter 8 from the Watsons Go to Birmingham. You've got to do the notes and your journal. And then literature, we need to read our AR. Our full AR points for the third quarter are due 1 month from tomorrow. We also need to make sure that we are studying our vocab for Freedom Walkers. One last thing, reminder, tomorrow is Stall Your Teacher Day. Classes cannot begin until the teacher has counted all the money that you and your classmates have brought in. So make it a great Thursday. We'll see you tomorrow.